Well, I'm working on a milling machine to repair these pieces. So I finished the welding. I removed some metal with angle grinder, and now time to make some fixes milling machine. On this side little bit. Okay, I finished it now, but stop the filming right now. Later I'll little bit finish this surface too, because this surface should be under angle against this, because here it will be a blade, and blade should be clamped good. So, and actually this construction is bent because you was seeing how large was damage over here. So, thanks for the watching, good luck, and have a nice day.